But where is this hoe at?
Hey, what's up, cuz?
What you here for? What you here for?
Sour Patch Kids, bro. You know what I'm saying? Them Sour Patch Kids.
Sour Patch Kids? I got 'em right here.
Alright, well, why them bitches open for? Why they open?
I did some messing around with them. Do not eat more than 2 of those. If you eat more than 2 of those, you are fucked. You are so fucked.
I bet.
Okay.
Yo.
So you gonna pay me for them?
Fuck your paying me, bro.
What? This is bullshit. Hey, I'm here to get my pay. What the fuck?
This shit busting.
I told you not to eat more than 2. Okay, if you die, it's not my fault.
This shit busting. Man, them bitches are gone. I ain't like 50 of them motherfuckers, bro.
Hey, I need my pain. What the fuck?
Yeah, nigga, I'm higher than a bear.
Are you okay?
I'm higher than a bear.
Get out. Get out.
Busted.
Get out.
What, nigga?
Get out. You're evicted. Get out.
Now why your mama dead, nigga?
Get out. Go. Drug addicts. Jeffy from Super Mario Logan. Jeffy from Super Mario Logan. Jeffy from Super Mario. Hey, buddy. I know I was a little mean earlier.
Jeffy from Super Mario Logan.
What?
Jeffy from Super Mario Logan right there.
Nobody is there.
Jeffy from Super Mario Logan.
Are you okay?
Jeffy.
I'm gonna give you a moment. Jeffy from Super Mario Logan. Jeffy from Super Mario Logan.